About 5 months ago, I bought my first curved monitor, and here's the review. So welcome to this all new video on my tech channel at TheTechChannel 4. This monitor is an Acer NITRO XZ240Q, which is very similar to the Acer NITRO XZ240Q. First, let us talk about the specifications. This is a 23.5-inch curved monitor with full HD resolution, 1 millisecond response time and a refresh time of 165 Hz. It also got a USB hub LED backlight technology and supports AMD FreeSync Premium. I used the DisplayPort 1.4 interface with a Radeon RX 570 in the 8GB version. When I used the monitor for the first time, it was a bit confusing because it's curved. But after a few days, I was very fine with it. But how good is the monitor in terms of gaming? I played a lot on this monitor and that without any issues. In my opinion, the display panel is very good for both gaming and office, as well as serving on the web and watching videos. And even if the lights in my room are very bad, you can trust me that this is a very good monitor. The monitor runs good on the Windows as well as on the Mac OS. In Mac OS, personally, I prefer the color profile HDMI, but there are many other options that you can use. I adapted the internal monitor settings to 70% brightness and 50% contrast, which I highly recommend. I use the USB hub for my desk camera as well as my USB microphone. And in my opinion, this is a very good and reliable USB hub. Even if the stand looks very solid, I use a VESA mount for this LCD monitor. I paid about 150 euros for this early this year, but at the moment you need to pay about 10 euros more. So in my opinion, it's a very solid monitor, which is even 160 euros worth. The only bad disadvantage of the monitor is the sound quality of the internal speakers. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button, and if you are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice weekend.